Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn about how to face the interview question, tell me about yourself. This is very important questions which will be asked as a first interview question in any of your interviews. The tell me about yourself is one of the most frequently asked question in any interview. You talk about fresher, you talk about a student, or if you talk about experienced anybody, if you are attending the interview, then you will be definitely getting this question as a first question. So ice breaking question, because when you are meeting first time with the interviewer regarding the job opportunity, then the conversation will start with this important question. In order to answer this question, it requires a lot of preparation, because every interview you may need to customize or based on the interview you are going to attend. Because this would be the first question will be asking to you, then you are going to start communicating with the interviewer as a first topic. Then whatever the answer which you are going to give it to the interviewer, that would give an indication of your first impression, what is all about you. And when you are answering this tell me about yourself, you should not take more than 2 to 3 minutes of the interviewer time, because this would be the first interview question and you should be able to answer in a very quicker manner within just 2 to 3 minutes. Within 2 minutes, you should be able to pitch in and convince the interviewer. Understand how you're going to utilize those 2 minutes to convince your interviewer that you are the right fit for the job. When you start your conversation within those 2 minutes, you should not keep telling entire story of your life. Nobody is interested story about your life. They will be interested how you can perform better for the opportunity they have, and they are not interested in any other aspect. You should always speak about your experience that is more relevant to the current job. So first you should take the current work experience, where you should start highlighting all your achievements which are relevant to the current job. If you got the awards or you have done excellent things, start throwing the numbers and examples. So whenever you are trying to talk about the achievements, you should start giving right examples. How did you solve with so many challenges which you faced, and how did you solve those great challenges, and how did you get the results out of those challenges? Cover everything within 2 minutes. Apart from your achievements, you should also talk about your strengths, your creativity, your talent, or your passion, and what is a value addition you can definitely bring in. And maybe just go back to your previous experience and what all the things you have creatively done, how you have used your talents in doing the things in a different way that helped you to bring lot of value addition for your current company. It is always required lot of preparedness in answering these questions. Use these 2 minutes just to talk about in numbers or contributions or in figures, in terms of dollars or in terms of money, right, or in terms of savings, how much effort you saved. You should talk everything, you should be able to market everything in terms of numbers. Whenever you are answering within those 2 minutes, you should be well composed. You should be well composed and you should be very calm, and you should answer in a very confident way. Hope whatever the tips which I given how to answer tell me about yourself was really useful for you. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that you will be getting similar kind of videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.